Wyatt, will you tell Auntie Lauren what you're doing? Are you standing? Yeah. Say hi, Auntie Lauren. You say hi there. How are you? Are you making sure there's no food left in your high chair? Huh? No food, no snacks? No puffs left over? Yeah, I know. Don't get stuck. Be careful. Be careful. You're gonna fall. Get your hand out of there. Wyatt. Wyatt, will you say bye-bye? What are you doing? What is that? That's your diaper changer. Do you want some help? Sorry about that. What's that? In a book? He's coming to get me. He's coming to get me. Send help.